guys, Haven here, back with another video. So today, I'm going to be opening another Pinch Me box. Okay, this is not sponsored, so yeah. Look at the packaging. Look at this pretty purple. And also, here's their social medias, if you want to follow them, you know. Yeah, so let's get into this. If you want to be member of pinchme.com and get free stuff, just sign up at pinchme.com and like you'll get free stuff. Like, it's that simple. Like, I've been doing this twice now, and I mean, it's pretty cool. I think I might be getting a couple more things, but let's see what's in this. Okay. Ooh, I got a coupon for Pioneer Woman. Look. Probably shouldn't show you that, guys, just in case you're trying to steal it, but I doubt you will. Jokes. Please don't yell at me, anybody. Okay. What is this? Compeed, cushioning, comfort, and confident. Okay. I think this is a Band-Aid. Yeah, that's cool. And, allergy pills. That's awesome.
I'll take the allergy pills.
Oh, what the heck is this? Oh.
Oh my god, my back hurts.
Yeah, okay. And
what's the damn coupon for?
this is,
You didn't answer me. What's the coupon for?
this is mayonnaise, I think.
Hello? Hey! What's the coupon for?
Pioneer Woman.
Ah, she's too damn expensive.
It don't expire until 2020.
Oh well, that's a great thing.
But, yeah. That's what I got in my box today.
Pioneer Woman makes Band-Aids now?
No. That, it's called Compeed or something. I think it's called Compeed.
What the fuck is that?
I think it's a Band-Aid. And then,
Well, does it say Band-Aid? Bandage?
I think so.
You think so? Well, how the hell can you know what it is if it doesn't say what the hell it is?
I don't have anything else to say. Leave a like on this if you enjoyed. I enjoyed opening this. I like getting these.
Tell everybody what the hell that is if it's a damn bandage or a Band-Aid. Should say on the damn package.
I showed them, okay?
Well, you said you think. Either it is or it's not.
Leave a like on this if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe. Peace out.